You don't like that? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Come on back up. Sorry, didn't mean to scare ya. Didn't mean to scare ya. Come on back up. Sorry. I know I won't get that now. Oh. Time to get out the wet wipes.
You have to do that occasionally too.
Yes.
Yes.
You like them, don't you?
That happens, Hondo. The girl or boy?
Boy.
Oh. Well, little guy, that happens.
Look at you showing off. Yeah.
Is he happy when he does up and down?
And that sound, that's a happy sound. Yeah. Being very loud.
How does he like the cold coming out?
As long as we're close.
Yeah.
But no, they can't. They don't.
Like when it's
tropical.
like super Arctic, you don't bring him
No,
out.
no. Has to be 40 or more. Yeah. Yeah.
But he won't. He can't fly away, can he? I mean, he can't fly a real distance.
No.
Can he even fly at all?
I don't think so. He can glide, but I don't think he can fly. He came to us with about half the usual number of feathers. They pluck them when they're stressed, and he was in a stressful situation. And he plucked them so often they won't grow back.
So
I know.
Was it like a rescue bird?
Yeah.
Somebody just did.
He's just expressing excitement.
Was that from like a humane society rescue type
Here on
thing?
the other end of the
No,
school.
no. I got him from the people that couldn't handle him anymore.
Well,
Got
that's
that
too bad.
weird.
Yeah, a lot of people, you see that around Easter time, you know, people get bunnies, and then it's just like,
Yeah. What
the
kind
little
is
bunny
that?
doesn't stay so small.
Yep. He's an umbrella cockatoo.
Huh?
Umbrella cockatoo.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He's showing off, aren't ya? Yes, you are.
Amazing. They from South Africa or something?
Indonesia and Australia.
Indonesia? Yeah. So
Yeah.
is he comfortable in this climate? As long as he's in the house. Huh?
In the house, yes.
Right.
Yeah, his room is kept at 80 degrees,
Right.
so. But he can come out in the cooler temps every now and then.
You must like the store.
I guess he does. Found something he liked on the shelf, I guess.
Yes, he took a makeup, these little makeup brushes, and he's been
Yeah.
chewing them to bits. Yeah, whatever he chooses, we buy, because
Yeah.
we have to.
Right, he said.